Assalamualaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix keyboard not working in Windows 11. Go to the Start menu, click on Settings, go to System, click on Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooter, look at the keyboard section, click on Run, click Close, click on Accessibility, go to the keyboard section, enable use the screen keyboard, right click Start menu, select Device Manager, expand the keyboard section, double click on keyboard driver, go to the driver tab, click on Uninstall, select Uninstall, restart your device, right click Start menu, select Device Manager, expand the keyboard section, click Action, select Scan for hardware changes, double click on keyboard driver, go to the driver tab, select Update driver, click on Search automatically, click Close, again click Update driver, click on Browse my computer for driver software, select Let me pick, click on Next, click Close, go to the Start menu, click Settings, click on Accessibility, go to Keyboard, then turn off filter case, go to the Start menu, type Control Panel into the search bar, click on the Control Panel, click on Power option, click on Choose what the power button do in the left hand sidebar, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Under Shutdown settings, uncheck the box next to Turn on Fast Startup. Click on the Save Changes. Click on the Start menu. Click Settings. Then click Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on the scan option. Select full scan. Click on scan now. The antivirus will remove the threats and malware automatically if detected in the scan. Go to the Start menu. Type CMD. Click Run as Administrator. Type in the command sfc/scan now. Click Enter. The scan will now start and may take some time to complete. Once the scan is finished, reboot your computer. Check if this issue has been resolved. Right-click Start menu. Select Device Manager. Go to Keyboard. Right-click this driver. Uninstall the keyboard device. Select Uninstall. Select Yes. Restart your device. Windows will automatically install your keyboard device upon restarting. Thanks for watching.